Third focused learning area of one of the major concepts of We-Amra project, that is Love Your Mother Earth, is our birds and animals, let us love them. This section is directed towards smaller children, and in this section the children will learn various facts about birds and animals, common birds and animals, so that they have enough awareness how to handle them, how to love and respect animal, their pets at home. And also they have enough awareness when to protest against animal cruelties or any other unkind human acts that are destroying our natural resources or our wildlives, or killing the animals or captivating the animals, because they are integral part of human life.